This is no product, curls popping, and that's
Whatever you wanna do, I'm over 42 and I do not want no chaser. And you need a nigga to handle your attitude, but I'm a nigga with paper.
What is up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm about to show you guys how I stretch out my hair. I literally do the same stuff. Like, this is no product, curls popping. Yes, if you have not already watched my wash day routine, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be stretching my hair because I'm going to be doing a ponytail for my next video. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a sleek ponytail with a braid, you know, on stretched hair. I know some people have problems, and I'm about to put you guys on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right on into the video. Okay, so first things first, this is freshly washed hair, and nothing should be in your hair. Normally, you don't have to use this, but I use the Dad Climate Control because it is getting a little warm where I am, and I do not do the frizz. Okay, we're just gonna spray that everywhere. I'm gonna split my hair in half, and I like to do everything in sections. We're gonna split this in half, and then we're gonna put this up in the back. For your tools, of course, you want a detangler. I would really recommend this detangler because nothing detangles my hair like this. Not the Denman brush, not the detangle teaser, whatever. Nothing detangles my hair like this one. Really long rat tail comb. And then you also want a wide tooth comb. For the products that I'm going to be using the eyelid oil. I'll be using this OGX combing cream. They call it combing cream, but it's just a detangler. I don't know how to say that word, but it's that line. Yeah. I also like to go on with the Live at the end because I feel like it really seals everything in and it really helps with taking away all the frizz. And I only use a little bit of that. Well, you guys will see. First things first, I'm going to start off detangling my hair. Just on the ends. Next, I'm just going to go in on my scalp with this oil. Do not be afraid to massage your scalp. I'm gonna split this in half. You wanna keep this open because you're gonna wanna put this at the very end. I'm gonna get maybe like this much. I don't like too much product when I'm stretching my hair. You have to really take your time with this. If you have to detangle your hair with a little bit of water, that's fine. But I don't like to do this dripping wet. You want to grab like maybe this, well actually, maybe like this much. It's going to look like this, but it's not going to leave a cast on your hair. It's just white. And then you want to smooth all of that in. It's, you know, hair grease. So if you were a little leery about that, you don't have to use it. But this is just what I like to use for my hair. My hair acts differently. It doesn't cause me any breakage. It's just what I like to use for my hair. Is it needed? No, because you can also use, you know, different hair balms and stuff that's out there. Okay, so this is what it looks like braided all the way to the ends. No frizz, just sleek. So I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. what it looks like. It's a really cute braid out, by the way. Okay, so you can stop right here, style it however you want, or you can separate them. Okay, so you can wear it this big, or you can stretch it again, like what I'm gonna do. Just gonna comb this out. Okay, so as you guys can see, my root, okay, I hope y'all can hear me, but my roots are stretched out. Everything is stretched out. Take the hair down to show you guys how big this hair gets. Grab all this hair, right? And then we're gonna do these braids. I'm gonna leave these in for maybe about 3 hours, and then we're gonna come right back and take them out.
A few moments later.
I'm just about to put some oil on my hair. This is just any oil, any type of serum. I'm gonna rub it through this, and then we about to take this down. So this is what my hair looks like, fully stretched out. I don't know why my camera keeps on doing that. And that's period. Period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for the next banger that I'm about to post. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.